Are you a creator or solopreneur and want to turn what you love into what you do? Then my Momentum Weekend Workshop in Walt Disney World this October was created just for you. And now is the time. Now is the best time to register. But what is Momentum? Well, it's a 50-person, one-room, 4-day workshop in Walt Disney World where creators and solopreneurs can build, grow, and monetize their passion and business with nearly 20 interactive workshop sessions led by an incredible group of presenters who have walked the walk and are there to help you. But Momentum is different than other conferences and events for a number of reasons, including this. Because at other events, you might get a worksheet or a blank notebook, but at Momentum, you're going to receive a 200-plus page workbook full of practical and tactical exercises and lessons that'll continue to help you long after you leave the conference. Because in addition to the exercises that you're going to do in the room with others during the workshops, there's also dozens of worksheets and lessons on productivity and time management, building community, goal setting, mindset, monetization, and much more. You can learn more at loumongello.com/momentum, but act fast. We have only about 7 seats left, and you can still take advantage of our $100 off early bird discount, but that is also going to end soon. Hope to see you there.